Hello everyone. This is Sybil. Welcome to my channel. I am here to share with you a scrapbook layout, but that will be last. I want to share with you my hip kit order that came in the mail today. Excuse me. Earlier this morning, the sirens went off, tornado sirens, and they were going on for at least a half hour, maybe a little bit more. And there was a tornado in the town where I used to work. So that's about 30 miles from my home. And then once the storm passed our area, we had, they said, up to 100-mile-per-hour winds and straight line winds, and then 72-mile-per-hour winds. It settled down to 72. And then it passed through our area. We did not get hail. Some other areas had really large hailstones. Been there, done that last year. Don't want to ever have that, go through that again. That was horrible. Our pastor contacted me to see how I was doing. I really appreciated that. And we did not lose power. A lot of areas lost power because power poles broke in half and trees came down. But thankfully, in our area, nobody lost power that I am aware of. And in Springfield, Missouri, power poles came down. Several people were without power. And when the storm left our area, it showed that it was forming a tornado going to another county as it was leaving our county. So, oh my goodness, we have had the craziest stormy spring in several years. We were in a drought for the last 3-4 years and didn't get much in the way of rain, let alone storms. And we are making up for it this year, I'll tell you that. I'm thankful for the rain. The storms, yeah, I could do without. But I really thank the Lord for keeping his hand on us. So let me jump in here and share with you my hip kit. I did buy a few extras. I'll set those to the side. So this is for the month of April. And these, sorry for the glare, these are all the papers. So there's 12 sheets and they're double-sided. So really beautiful quality paper in the Hip Kit Club. I love their paper and I love their embellishments. So this month's kit is called A Touch of Whimsy. And this is the chipboard die cuts. Really cute. And I love all the colors this month too, really fun colors. And then felt cloud die cuts. I don't know why I'm turning it over. It's just habit. This one I will turn over. These are the alphas, foam alphas. And I'm not sure, sorry for the glare. Oh, I'm trying to get rid of it. But you see the polka dots? I love polka dots. So you've got a green color and then a light orange. And then here, puffy shapes, super cute. And then this is cardstock die cuts. I'm turning this over because they've got them all there so you can see. I love the strawberries. They're adorable. There's a little dog, cat, another doggy, birds. Super cute. And then this, it shows you can make like flowers. It says cardstock die cuts, but I will probably not do that, but do maybe some stitching detail and, make some, cut some paper and make like little stems for trees, for a big circle, like a tree, fun little whimsical tree or a flower. And then this is cardstock shapes, and there's 83 in this pack. And then you get the Hip Kit ideas. So they give you a lot of ideas to create layouts Really fun. I love that, especially because I'm still such a newbie at scrapbooking. I'm going to set that over here. And I bought from a couple of things from previous months. I picked up the stamp. This says stencil and die set. I'm not sure why it says stencil, because this is a stamp and die set. So speech bubbles. And then I love this, so you can put lines in your speech bubble, and so you can write your journaling. And then I picked up the tag dies. So really necessary, you know, well, I shouldn't say necessary, but I like to use those kind of things, tags for journaling, things like that on my layouts. So for me, it's necessary. And then I picked up this beautiful die. So you get all of these. And of course you can cut in between, you know, so you can have really cute layering embellishment on your layouts. Okay, so I'm going to share with you a really basic layout that I made last night. I used the Hip Kit Club, the puffy stickers in this color, and then the paper that I used, I cut it apart, but it's from Simple Stories Crafty Things. This right here is the name of the paper. I also used some embellishments from the Hip Kit Club Wildflowers, as well as the Wildflowers puffy shapes. And like I said, it's just a pretty basic layout. So here is the paper, and I ripped it in half, you know, took out the center part there. And on that middle part, I cut the frames for my pictures. It's all the same picture. 4th grade, 1972, Wallace School, Kelso, Washington. And I have the word smile here, and I put a little puffy heart there. And then some chipboard embellishment here with the heart. It says, "You are delightful." I put some more of the little chipboard pieces, the triangles going down, and then 3 more going up. And I just folded over the paper because this is the back of this paper, this floral paper. And it says dream, thrive, and then there's a little heart. And this says bloom, and then I've got the puffy stickers here as well. So just a basic little, you know, layout. But I had mentioned in a previous video that I wanted to make 50 layouts by summer, and that included the ones that I've already made this year. What I meant to say was by the end of summer, but I just said by summer. So there is probably not going to be a, you know, any way that I'm going to get 50 layouts made by summer. Maybe by the end of summer, we'll see. But I'm going to keep working at it. And anyway, so just wanted you to see that. Thank you, everybody, for watching my previous video. I really appreciated it. And I hope that you enjoy this video. And I will talk to you again probably, not sure if it'll be any more this week, as my husband's coming home Friday and will be here. So it'll probably be, he'll be here for several weeks for our anniversary. Well, not several weeks. He'll be here for several days. So I probably won't be back on until around, I'm thinking the second or the 3rd week of May. I'm trying to get it all sorted in my head, and I'm not doing a very good job of it. Anyway, everybody have a blessed day. I will talk to you again soon. Bye for now.